Question E, you have 2, 4, and 64. How can I convert this become to the base number? One base number. 2 here, 2 power of 2 and minus 2. About 4 is mean 2 square and 2 power of negative 3 times and here 64 equal to 64 equal to 2 to power of 6. That is the first step. The second step, I will simplify left hand side. And here you got 2 multiply with negative 3 and equal to 2 to power of 6. This is multiplication between indices, so I will using addition. Minus 2 here plus negative 6 and plus negative 6 and 2 to power of 6 here. And then after that you got the same base number, so I can put the power number, only power number equation between the power number. And here is minus 4, here equal to 8, so n equal to negative 2. N equal to negative 2. Is that answer for question? Is that answer for question E? Question E, I think so. Yeah, okay, I have the right answer. It does question move to question F. The first one is 2 n to power n minus 4. About 8 is mean 2 to power 3. 4 here minus n. And then you got 2n minus 4 equal to 3 multiply with 4 minus n like this one. And then I can put the only power number together like this one. Okay, expand the right hand side, 12 minus 3 and here, and then 4 n equal to 16, so n equal to 4. So n equal to 4. Yeah, that's it. That is question F. Now we continue about question G. Okay, question G, 9 and 27, a little bit harder. 27 and 9, I will convert them become to the power number with base number 3. 27 is mean 3 cubed, and outside n minus 2. About 9, you got 3 square, and then 3 and plus 2. So continue, you got 3 multiply with n negative 2, and 3 here, 2 multiply with 3 and plus 2 here. So only put the equation between the power number. You got here 3 and plus 2 like this one. And expand this 3 and minus 6 equal to 6 and plus 4. So move minus plus 4 from right to left. You got minus 10, and here you got 3 and negative 10 over 3 will be the answer for question G. About question G, is that right? Okay, I think so. Correct answer. Now move to question 8. Both sides you got the base number is 8, so you don't need to do anything more. That's quite easy. 6 n plus 2 equal to 4 n minus 1. And 2 n equal to negative 3, so n equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay, question I. 125 is 5 here, so 125 is mean 5 cubed. And the other outside will have the power of 4 minus n. About here, you got 6 minus 2n, and 3 multiply 4 minus 2 minus n will be equal to 6 minus 2n. This is 12, this is minus 3n, this is 6 minus 2n. So we have here is 6, you got this one is n, because 3n minus 2n equal to 1n. Yeah, n equal to 6. Okay, go on for question J. Go on for question J. I have 2, 4, and 16. Base number 2. And here is n minus 1. 2 square first equal to 4. Put it inside the bracket. 2n plus 1. And 2 to power 4 will be equal to 16. And here n minus 1. multiply with 2, 2 times 2n plus 1 equal to 2 to power 4. And then you got n minus 1 plus 2 multiply 2n plus 1 equal to 2 to power 4. So n minus 1 plus 4n plus 2 equal to 4. And then you got 5n plus 1 equal to 4. Then 3 over 5 will be answer for this question. And next one is question K. Oh, sorry, because question K is a little bit difficult, so I will convert that become to the base number first. 27, okay, 3q. Next one, 3 to power of n. The other side will be n here. 27 is 3 to power, oh, sorry, here is 3n first. 3 first, and then n outside. And here, 3 to power of 1 over 4. Apply n for each one in here, you got 3n multiply with 3n times n, and here you got 3n multiply with 3 1 over 4. Yes, so simplify the left hand side, 3n plus n squared, and then 3n plus 1 over 4. This means 3n plus n squared equal to 3n plus 1 over 4. Simplify 3n for both sides, and n squared equal to 1 over 4. Now you have knowledge about surf 1 over 2 here, plus or minus 1 over 2 here. Okay, that is the answer for question K.